a brand new video. Today we are at Nuara Eliya, Victoria Park. So first we're gonna spend some time at Victoria Park, and since Nuara Eliya is well known for its tea, after visiting Victoria Park, we are going to a tea garden. Some people call this place as Little Switzerland or Little New Zealand. In fact, the name Nuara Eliya means Little England. Viewers, unlike in other countries, in Sri Lankan hotels you have two types of booking, only bed and bed and breakfast. We did not know about this, as in other countries 5-star hotels always have complimentary breakfast. And since we booked through booking.com, our booking did not have breakfast included, so we had to go through a lot of trouble to get complimentary breakfast. So keep this in mind.
Okay.
The breakfast was fantastic, especially the coconut sambal and dosa. So guys, up there are the mountains and down here is the lake and all around this greenery. So guys, we are currently at Lake Gregory. So viewers, Lake Gregory is a reservoir built in 1873 during the period of British Governor Sir William Gregory. The reservoir is in fact named after him. In 1873, Sir William Gregory authorized the damming of the Thalagala stream to make more land available for the expansion of the town. Since 1913, the reservoir has been used to supply electricity to the town. So viewers, we are currently at Pedro Tea Estate, which is about 1 kilometer away from Lake Gregory. At the start of the modern era, the Portuguese invaded Sri Lanka, and then the Dutch took control of Sri Lanka from the Portuguese, and then at last the British came. In the year 1819, British government official John Davy discovers the region of Nuara Eliya. At first, the British experimentally started tea cultivation in Nuara Eliya or in the hilly areas between Nuara Eliya and Kandy, where they planted tea bags and achieved success within a short period of time. Then the tea cultivation started in full swing in this region. Seen tea garden many times in Bangladesh, but 6,000 feet above the sea level, and there can be such a beautiful garden. You can only see it here, only here. So viewers, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss videos like this again. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.